Guys, recently it's been like wireless microphone overload. Now, it's not to say that I don't like reviewing microphones, because I do. Why? Well, stick around and I'll be right back. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, now, why do I like reviewing wireless microphone setups? Well, I think sometimes in a video or movie or whatever type of visual media consumption, audio quality is much more important than video quality. We've been watching terrible video for years. Go back and look at some old Square TV. Yeah, we watched it and you know what, we liked it. But compare it now to HD or Ultra HD or whatever, and you know what, you'd never go back to it again. However, audio quality hasn't really changed a huge amount. So get some dodgy audio quality and yeah, it will make you switch right off double quick. So I love wireless microphone setups as they offer so much flexibility. You can use them to level up your smartphone videos, your action cam videos, and your proper camera audio without even being next to the camera. Now, I've reviewed a ton of different wireless microphone setups, and today I'm super excited to be reviewing this. This is the Balila wireless lavalier microphone setup. We're going to get it set up, we're going to test the audio quality, and we're going to see whether this £50 wireless microphone setup from Balila can compete. Now, first off guys, I'm just going to say I was asked to review this wireless microphone setup by Balila in return for an honest review. Now, if you follow my channel, you'll know that whether I buy something myself or whether I'm sent it, you're always going to get an honest review, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this open and see what's in the box. Now, first off, we have this hard shell case, which is quite nice. Open it up and you can see in the bottom we have the wireless transmitter and receiver. Now, this is the one transmitter microphone version. There's also a 2-pack available. Now, if you don't spec that from the beginning or at the start, I believe you can order the second transmitter microphone separately. So guys, these units are pretty small. This is the receiver, which you can clip onto the back of your camera. This is the transmitter stroke microphone, so you can see pretty small, but they are incredibly well built and they feel pretty solid in the hand. Now, they've both got these whippy aerials, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I guess this is a UHF system, so you do kind of need to have some aerials. I'm also not a huge fan of micro USB charging, but there is an adapter cable that lets you charge both the transmitter and the receiver from one USB-A port, so I guess that's okay. In the top section of the hard case, you do have a bunch of cables as well as the lav mic. Now, at first I thought that the mic setup was proprietary, and whilst this does have a kind of screw to keep it secure, you can choose a different lav mic if you wish. That screw is just to stop it pulling out if there's any tension on the cable, so you're not going to stop recording. But yeah, you can actually use a third-party lav mic should you wish to. We also have some connection cables to connect the receiver to the camera, and also an adapter to connect to your smartphone. Yeah, that's another thing that I don't like. If you want to connect this to your phone, you have to buy an adapter cable, either USB-C or Lightning, depending on what type of phone you've got. That's not that great. Guys, you could have included this in the box. It would make a huge difference. And given that these setups are usually smartphone only or proper camera only, this would have been killer to just use one setup for all your needs. But anyway, that's my opinion. Now, throw in some multi-language instructions, and that's what you have in the box. So guys, let's give this a test run and see how well it performs. Now, we're not going to do it in the comfort of here. We're going to head outside, check this out, so follow me. So guys, outside now with the Balila wireless lavalier mic. Right now I'm using my Sony a7S III with a Rode Video Micro shotgun mic on top. So
Not sure how that audio sounds, but over here I've got another camera set up, which what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this microphone to that camera, and then I'm going to test exactly the same with the Balila wireless lavalier mic. So hang 5 while I just change these microphones over. Right, so I'm about 2 foot away from this microphone now, and this is the same video mic from Rode that I used on the A7S III. So obviously as I move further and further away from the camera, so now I'm about 4 foot away, you can probably see that the sound is beginning to get worse. If I move another 2 foot away, now I don't know how this sound is going to sound, but I'm sure that it's probably got a lot quieter. So I'm going to move back in now, and I'm going to change the microphone over for the Balila wireless lavalier, and let's see how that sounds. So guys, now I have both devices connected. So if you look here, we've got the receiver connected to the other camera. I'm actually recording on that, so hello. And I'm simultaneously recording to this camera using a Balila wireless lavalier mic. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to walk away from this camera now, and you'll see that the audio shouldn't change. As I walk further and further away, the audio shouldn't change. It should be exactly the same, and that's because I'm using the wireless mic and I'm not tied to my camera anymore. So that's pretty cool. So let's see how this audio sounds, and let's get back in the studio. Let's put this together. All the audio from these cameras will not be touched. It will just be processed the way it comes out the camera and the microphone. So back in a few seconds.
So guys, there you have it. Pretty cool device. The audio sounds good, and you know what, I tried it with a Rode microphone, lavalier microphone as well, and you know what, no difference between the Balila lav mic and also the Rode mic. So yeah, sounds pretty good. I think for the sound quality, I can live with the whippy aerials. Now, I'm going to be making a video shootout on these wireless microphones that I've got. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please let me know in the comments section. There's probably a ton of different features and functionality that I can cover off on these, you know, like the fact that you can change the frequencies, you've got volume up and down. There's a whole bunch of different things that I'm probably sure that I could go into on these, but that would make for an absolute long video, and I don't think I could cover it all off in one video. I will say it was really easy to use and set up, and you know, as far as getting it out of the box and plugging it in and just being almost like plug and play, it was. So like I said, I want to do a video shootout. Maybe I'll try and get hold of the second transmitter microphone for this and try and cover off all of the functionality in another video. But until then, guys, this just about wraps this one up. Now, if you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll put any links and discounts to the product in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. Until then, guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Thank you to Balila for sending me this rather cool wireless microphone setup. I'm Dave from Scene for a Lens, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.